Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the launderette today. My machine is having problem. I'll tell you guys about it in a minute. I have to go and I just put my clothes to wash. So I have to go and get some coin because I need to put more clothes there to wash. So I'm in the launderette today. Just thought I will show you guys my local launderette. I need to go and get some more coin. Okay guys, yeah. Okay guys, so as I was saying, there's quite a lot of noise because I'm on the road. So my machine was bringing out some smoke from the back some days back. I've called them to come and repair it. That's my car in my back. I called them to come and repair it and they said they need to buy some parts. So now I have to come to the launderette. Okay, this is the second time I'm coming to the launderette. Now last week, because the machine had problem last week, I think on Wednesday or Thursday. So today I have to bring because we have so much clothes to wash, so I have to bring the clothes to the launderette. And the problem is that the launderette lady, she's not in there, so now I have to look for coin. Yeah, so that's why I'm here in the launderette, in case you guys are wondering why I bring my clothes to launderette, because my machine is having problem. Okay guys, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching, share it. Okay guys, so I've put my second washing machine on now to be washing. The lady is here now for the machine, so hopefully I can get some coin to wash, to dry my clothes. Okay, so I've put all the clothes to wash now, so just to dry it remaining. So I have to wait. This one said 40 minutes. The other one is almost done, so I have to wait for this one because I didn't have enough coin. Okay guys, so I'm home now. I finished from the launderette. I was going to show you guys where I was drying the clothes, but there were other people there and I didn't want to vlog their faces. Okay, so let me just show you the 2 bags of clothes that I have here, and I need to also hang them to dry. I dried them, but I didn't dry them fully. I'll just dry them at home. Alright guys, so those are the 2 bags there full of clothes. So they are quite warm because I just removed them from the dryer. Yeah, so I'm going to be hanging them on my dryer here to dry. So I'm going to be hanging them over there to dry, and the weather looks nice. I may maybe dry them outside, maybe not. I think I'll dry some there. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I could continue the vlog I was doing yesterday when I went to the launderette. Yeah, so I'm continuing it today. Today is Saturday, so I'm going to end the vlog today, but I quickly want to show you guys what I want to make up on a soup. So I got some meat, beef meat, turkey leg, some cow throat, I don't know how to pronounce it, but cow, the inside of a cow skin or cow something. Yeah, and I think this is either gizzard or meat as well. Let me see. Yeah, I think this is probably chicken gizzard in here. Anyway, I'm going to wash them and cook them and show you guys before I make the soup, and I'll show you guys how the soup is looking. Okay guys, so my meat is cooked. It's almost cooked. Oh, earlier I was saying I have gizzard. It's not gizzard, it's kidney, and I just made some barbecue chicken wings and peri. It's a bit burnt, but it's okay, just the tips that are burnt. Trying to put them in the plate. Yeah, and it looks very yummy. So I'm going to I think I'm going to have to drop my camera so I can remove this, or my phone rather. I'm using my phone to vlog. Okay guys, so that's my chicken wings and peri ready, and I'm going to throw this away. So this is my ogbono here, and I have some spinach in here. I just defroze them, and I want to press the water out of the spinach. I want to put it inside my ogbono soup. Ogbono soup is Nigeria dish. For those of you who are not Nigerian, I'm going to be making this. So I've blended the seed. It was a seed, but I've grinded it. It's been grinded dry or blended dry. So I'm going to be adding red palm oil to this, palm oil to it. Okay, so I just thought I would show you guys my chicken, yummy chicken wings, and my meat that's boiling, and then I'll show you my soup and end the video. Okay guys. My soup is ready. So this is my soup. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share it, and yeah, turn on the notification bell. You want to set all so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching guys, I appreciate it. Let's put my face here. Okay guys, so thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.